Warning: stock market could crash 20% in October. Here's why. First sign: S&P 500 Shiller PE ratio hit 38. That's third highest in history. Previous peaks led to crashes. Second sign: October. Historically worst month. Average 7% decline since 1950. Third sign: government shutdown. October 1st could trigger sell-off. Markets hate uncertainty. But here's what smart investors do. Keep cash ready. Quality stocks become cheap during crashes. Warren Buffett says, "Be greedy when others fearful." October crash means November opportunity. Stay prepared, not scared. This is not financial advice. Always do your research. Follow for daily market alerts.